If your Beko dishwasher is stuck, frozen, or just refusing to cooperate, do not start mashing every button like you are trying to crack a safe. On most Beko dishwashers, the reset is simple, but only if you do the right kind of reset for the problem you actually have. Here's the first thing to know. On a Beko dishwasher, reset usually means cancelling the current program. And on many models, the way to do that is to press and hold the start/pause/cancel button for about 3 seconds. That is the basic reset most people are looking for. Now, depending on your model, the exact steps can look a little different. On many Beko manuals, the method is this. Open the door, press and hold start/pause/cancel for 3 seconds, then close the door. After that, the machine starts draining the water inside. Some manuals say the drain phase takes about 45 seconds. When the indicator light goes off, the program has been cancelled, and then you can choose a new cycle. On some newer Beko dishwashers, the wording is slightly different, but the idea is the same. You hold the program start/pause/cancel button for 3 seconds to cancel the running program, and some displays show a little 3, 2, 1 countdown while the machine resets. On certain models, the display then shows 0, 0, 1 while the cancel process finishes. So if you see lights flashing or a short countdown, that is usually normal. So let's make this easy. If your dishwasher is running and you want to reset it, first stop and look at the door. If your model normally works with the door open during setup, open the door first. Then hold start/pause/cancel for 3 seconds. If your model has a display and counts down with the door closed, hold the same button for 3 seconds and let the machine finish the cancel routine. In both cases, give it a moment to drain before trying to start a new wash. Now, let's talk about the mistake people make all the time. They try to change the program halfway through and expect the dishwasher to restart from the very beginning. Some older Beko manuals say that if you just switch programs while the machine is operating, the new program may continue from the stage already reached by the previous one. So if you want a true fresh start, cancel the current cycle first, then select the new one. If your Beko dishwasher will not start at all, the problem may not be a reset problem. Beko's own troubleshooting says to check 3 simple things first. Make sure the display has power, make sure the water supply tap is turned on, and make sure the door is fully closed and latching properly. If the dishwasher thinks the door is open, it will not start no matter how many times you hit the button. If the machine looks unresponsive, also check whether some kind of lock feature is active. Beko dishwashers do have child lock on some models, and official Beko material shows that child lock can disable the start/pause/cancel key. So if the panel seems dead, but the machine still has power, it is worth checking your model manual for the child lock combination before assuming the dishwasher is broken. Another situation is when the dishwasher seems stuck because it is not draining. In that case, resetting may cancel the cycle, but it will not solve the real issue. Beko says that if water is not draining, you should check the filter for food or debris and inspect the drain hose for kinks, twists, crushing, or blockage. And before checking that hose, Beko says to turn off the power supply and unplug the dishwasher first. So if your reset does not work the first time, do not panic. Think of it like this. If the dishwasher is mid-cycle and you just want to stop it, use the 3-second start/pause/cancel reset. If it will not start, check power, water, and the door. If it will not drain, check the filter and drain hose. And if the controls seem locked, check whether child lock is on for your model. And here is the last part that matters. If you reset the machine and it still refuses to run after those basic checks, Beko's official guidance is that the dishwasher may have a technical fault and may need an authorized service agent. So a reset is a great first step, but it is not magic. If the real problem is a blocked hose, a faulty latch, or an internal fault, the machine still needs that problem fixed.